change creates opportunity. With an increase in complex modern vehicles, expect to see an increased dependency on diagnostic knowledge and specialist equipment. This new technology is not limited to alternative fuels like EVs. We are already seeing escalating take-up of ADAS, including lane departure warning systems and automated emergency braking. New systems that require an understanding of reprogramming using OEM gateway and pass-through technology. Already, the diversity of the car park is increasing with more complex ICE vehicles. Understanding these complexities will be essential for customer retention and growth. EVs in the Australian car park. EVs could make up 50% of new car sales by 2030. The Australian Automotive Aftermarket Association estimates that by 2040, 1 in 4 workshop bays could be dedicated to EVs, and by 2045, this could be 1 in 2 bays. The auto repair industry will be a hybrid of ICE and EVs for years to come, and workshops need to understand the opportunities this creates. EVs still need to be serviced. EVs still have consumable items and may create new areas of servicing that aren't applicable to ICE vehicles, such as range optimization, torque protection, health reports, and cooling checks. EV servicing may also lead to a greater focus on suspension, tyres, and braking systems. Retaining customers as the EV market grows while still servicing the majority of ICE vehicles is the challenge of this decade for workshops. What should you be doing right now? Training will continue to be an ongoing requirement for all technicians. The demand for education and upskilling will increase. Dedicating an area to computer-based learning will become essential for many workshops. As a workshop manager, growing networks will become more important. By having relationships with other workshops, you can work together on vehicles that you cannot service alone. These arrangements can be mutually beneficial. This is highly relevant for technologies such as ADAS calibration, which is unlikely to be offered by many workshops. To create opportunities from industry changes, be agile, continue learning, and plan for the future. The future is here. Are you ready?